and we're going to talk about how to use your time efficiently when you're working against a deadline. When you work from home, there's kind of a tendency to think that you can just kind of work whenever you want, and yeah, that's true, but you don't want it to get to where it's just taking over your personal life and you don't have time for your family, and you don't want to push deadlines to the point where you're having to stay up all night to get things done. So here's a little technique that works for me. It's kind of obvious, but it's also surprising how few people really handle this well. Let's just say here's your week. So here's Monday, you know. So you've got a project due right here, and it's a big one. It's going to take, let's say it's going to take 10 hours. So, and let's say you don't want to work all 7 days. So you're going to end up working, you know, these are the days that you're going to work. And this is going to take 10 hours. Well, what a lot of us tend to do is, if we're juggling multiple deadlines, sometimes we'll let deadlines get to where we didn't work on it this day, we didn't work on it this day, this day, this day. Okay, now we have to put in 12 hours to get it done by this day, right here. And you know what? That's not good for family life. That's not good for your social life. There's a way around this, though. You just really have to get disciplined, and what you'll do is you'll take the 10 hours that you have here, and you have to decide how you're going to split that up into every day. So you'll be doing 2 hours every day, or you might know you have more time this particular day, so you'll do, let's say, 5 hours, and then you only have to split up the remaining 5. But the important thing is to really look at your schedule and be realistic. If you can do that and space your time out, you're never going to have these last-minute deadlines that just cause so much stress. So anyway, that's something to watch out for. But there's a lot of good things about being able to work from home, and there are a lot of ways to be really productive, and even more productive at home than you would be in an office, in a conventional office environment. So let's talk about that.